In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background without using green screen on Filmora 15. If you found this video helpful for you, please make sure like and subscribing. I have already opened Filmora on my MacBook. I need to click on import. I choose this photo. This is a off-white color maybe. Now I need to going on this image basic option, then AI mapping, image AI mapping. Scroll down, then click smart cutout. Otherwise, click AI portrait cutout. That's it. You have seen it's already removed. Background are very clean and it's currently black. Now you can add any of color background as you wish. For example, I choose this one. You can see it's already working. Now download as a PNG file from here. This is a method how you can remove background color without using green screen. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.